Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Android. Tap the gear icon on the lock circle screen to open the settings menu. Select the lock settings for the relevant device. Toggle lock sounds on, off, depending on your preference for sound or no sound.
Let's help you make your mark.
Live wallpapers could potentially kill your battery in two ways: by causing your display to have to light up bright images, or by demanding constant action from your phone's processor. On the display side, it may not matter much. Your phone requires the same amount of light to display a dark color as a light color. 25 January 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Now just tap on Set on Lock Screen option. To set live wallpaper on the home screen, long press on the home screen, select Wallpapers, and check My Wallpapers. The option for live wallpapers is listed under the triple dot menu on the top left. 16 September 2020.
Take our lead.
On my phone this is under Gallery and Pins. Back in the photo settings, go to Picture, and then Slideshow options. Check the box next to Slideshow Beta. This will add the other pictures you saved in the same folder to the live wallpaper as a slideshow. 12 May 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 seconds. One thing to keep in mind is that the free version of Into Live limits the duration for live wallpapers to 5 seconds. Those interested in making longer wallpapers can get the Pro iteration the app, which extends this option to up to 30 seconds. 5 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.